Yo, 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 what's good? Y'all already know who it is. It's your man Funk Fick back with another one. Today I'm gonna be mounting these bull horns on my old school. Alright. Now, the purpose of me doing this is this car is about to be used as a prop in an upcoming YouTube video. Not on my channel, but on a separate channel. The name of the channel is Keep the Music Playing, KTMP is the acronym. Super dope channel. They do deep dives and they give a lot of facts about classic hip hop songs from the years 2000 to 2015. So y'all please check the channel out. The link will be in the description below, and y'all can see, y'all watch all the old videos and watch this upcoming video that this car is gonna be in, so y'all can see the final product. Come a little closer. Let me explain how I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna take the emblem off. Under the emblem is a hole in the hood. I got a whole bunch of different like nuts and bolts and washers, and I'm gonna try to configure some way to fasten these horns to the hood. All right. And just so hopefully it don't move around when I drive it around. But yeah, that's it, man. Keep it simple. Just a little quick video, show y'all what I'm doing. So let's get to work. Emblem I took off, and I got this T-nut. So my plan is to, let me show y'all this. What I'm thinking is I can put this T-nut, bottom of this, right? Got a couple screws, I'm gonna screw it in there, got this on here. Put this through the top of the hole that's on the hood, and this right here, screw that in through the bottom. Got a big washer that should catch underneath of the bottom. I got a rubber washer to go over this right here so it don't scratch the hood on my car. I think this will work. Should work. I'm hoping it work. Rubber washer. This right here. Rubber washer over top of it so it don't scratch the paint. This in the bottom. Well, I got a big washer. I just don't have it out on the table with a big washer to go on the end of that. And we'll do it like that. All right, let's get to work. Let's see if this works. All right, so look, I got the old emblem off. See, I was telling y'all it's a hole in the hood. So y'all saw I put that piece on to the horns. We got that on there. This is just a rubber washer because I don't want the paint to get scratched. So I'm gonna put that on. On top like that. Then this is my little setup I got for underneath. I got this big washer to catch. And I'm gonna stick it through the bottom, and well, then hopefully that should do the trick. Now let's see, let's check it out. All right, so this is the underneath view from the view of the car. I got the camera set up. Hopefully y'all can see it, or hopefully I don't knock it out the way. I'm gonna try to do this. Hold on to the one. Hold on to these horns. Oh yeah, I can't reach. All right, bet. All right. All right. Let's see if that did the trick. There you have it. I got the horns mounted to the hood. Everything worked out even better than I expected. They're on there pretty sturdy, so I don't expect them to move around while I'm driving or the wind to take them off or nothing like that. But again, I mean, it's not like I plan on keeping them up there for an extended period of time. It's really just for a video I'm shooting, and then I'm gonna take them off and then put my original emblem back on. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace.